So shall we have a look at the dump? Okay. I wonder what that is. Those are pretty, aren't they? I always like tall glasses. I'll take those 4. No, I won't. They're too heavy.
Okay, Lynn, before you go,
The old kind of sealers. Oh yes, I wanted to get this. I don't know if this works. The mine has stopped working. Doesn't look so good, does it there? Well then, let's just see. And this doesn't seem to be testing properly. I don't know if it's going to work if it's over like that. I think it needs to be over further, don't you? Well, if it'll work, I guess it'll be alright. Mine, the motor burned out the other day. This is quite small though. You know, I think I'd like to just wait and get a different one. See what they've got sometime. Oh look, an old Singer sewing machine. Who was it that was looking for an old Singer sewing machine? Forget who. Somebody was. A cover for a monitor. Well, and the monitor, of course. Let's see what they've got in here. These are the old kind of RAM. $128 megabytes. Well, that should not be out here. This is good stuff. Good for weaving. Look what I just found, Mary.
What'd you find?
This lovely.
Oh. Great.
Should I take it to Mira?
Okay.
Or is it Mira?
That's rug wool. I don't think it's from Mira.
No, should I take it to Mira?
Okay, that's detail. It's a little fine, but it would do. Cotton.
Okay.
So maybe I'll just take the big spools. There's a sign here that has to be lowered.
This is in groups of threads. Mary was telling me earlier that when the threads are several together at a time, those are ends from find something cool?
Well, maybe material for others.
Oh, I see. Good idea. These are ends, factory ends, I think she said. Nice. There we go. Let's go inside.